You're watching the T-Bad channel.
All right, and here it is. We have a stuffed bell pepper with cherry tomatoes, queso fresco.
What's up, T-Bad family? Welcome back to my channel. Want to know how to make a New Mexico green chili tech stuffed bell pepper with Hispanic rice? Watch this. $9 for 3 people. Let's get into it. You're watching the T-Bad channel. You're watching the T-Bad channel.
And here it is. Okay, this is Mexican rice with taco New Mexico green chili stuffed bell pepper. It's sprinkled with queso fresco and topped off with cherry tomatoes still on the vine. So. Some rice. Fire! Holy crap! Wow. This is fire! Alright, let's try this rice. So flavorful. Oh my god. Perfect. Look at this. This is awesome. Awesome. And there you have it, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is a New Mexico green chili Tex-Mex stuffed bell pepper topped with queso fresco and roasted with cherry tomatoes. This is only $9 for 3 people. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye.